In a powerful moment inside the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, advocate Nxumalo took aim at the state's version of a common purpose. He methodically placed into record the movements of accused number 4 on 26 October 2014. And with that single step, the prosecution's entire theory began to crumble. What you're about to watch could shift the direction of this case completely.
The state is alleging that you acted in the furtherance of a common purpose to kill the deceased on the 26th of October 2014. The accused, that is accused number 4, is having the different view. But before I proceed, as I've done throughout the cross-examination to relevant witnesses in the case against my client, accused number 4, I'll repeat it to you. He says he knows you very well, as you have said. We tell this court when his turn comes that he did not know accused number 2. He first met accused number 2 on the 27th of October 2020 at Boksburg Magistrates Court. As at the 26th of October 2014, he knew accused number 3 very well. Mr. Mngube was his best friend. He knew accused number 5. Accused number 5 was his acquaintance. October, that is on the morning of the 26th of October. He cannot remember if it was him who went to accused number 3 or it was vice versa, that it was accused 3 who went to see accused 4 where he was staying. He says that at the time he was staying in the corner of Sinclair and Julie Street in Malvern, Johannesburg. They then traveled in a white minibus Kombi, which belonged to Senzo Meyiwa. Mr. Senzo Meyiwa was the driver of this Kombi. The occupants of this Kombi was accused number 3, Mr. Mngube, accused number 4, Mr. Mapisa, Mabungu Ntuli, Celimpilo Ndawonde, Spiva Ntuli, Linda Dlamini, and Sky Ojian. Any comment?
Akunakho ngoba ngangingenabo nge-26 October 2014.
Then the Kombi traveled to Katlehong at Spruit Mazibuko Hostel. A photo was taken there on the 26th of October 2014.
Yeah.
Yes. 11 hours 52 minutes, and that photo is depicted on Exhibit S, which is photo number 9 of Exhibit S. Exhibit S in front of you, photo number 9.
So you're saying who are on that photo number 9?
Accused number 3 and 4. Photo number 9. This one.
Yes, I'm there, there, my lord.
So just to emphasize that that photo was not taken at Phosphorus Basotho Hostel, but it was taken at Katlehong Mazibuko Hostel. The photo, as I've indicated to you, it was taken on the 26th of October 2014 at 11 hours 52 minutes.
Yeah. Yes.
From there, this entourage left this hostel, Mazibuko Hostel, and traveled to visit Nxumalo Gumede. A photo was taken there. It is at page 47 of Exhibit S. It was taken on the 26th of October 2014 at 1500 hours 30 minutes 31 seconds. I'm instructed by Mr. Mapisa to place it on record that this Lesedi, the place depicted at page 47 of Exhibit S, it is not at or near the scene of the murder where the deceased was killed. The photo, that is photo number 47 of Exhibit S, it depicts accused number 3 and the gentleman just a moment. Impilo Ndawonde. And then thereafter, this entourage of these persons who were traveling in the Kumbi okay, before that, he instructs me that at Lesedi, that is the place depicted at photo number 47 of Exhibit S, they spend a considerable time there, meaning that they spend much of the day there. That is the day of the 26th of October, 2014. And then the entourage which was traveling in the Kumbi, as I've alluded to earlier, they then traveled to George Koch Hostel in Johannesburg. This hostel, he instructs me that this hostel is not at or near the scene of the murder where the deceased was killed. Upon their arrival at George Koch Hostel in Johannesburg, he instructs me that they then met accused number 5 who was from work, and the photo was taken. The photo was taken, it is photo number 17 of Exhibit S. That photo was taken on the 26th of October 2014 at 1700 hours, 28 minutes, 89 seconds. And that photo depicts accused number 3 and accused number 5. From there, the Kumbi traveled to drop him where he was staying in the corner of Sinclair and Julie Street in Malvern, Johannesburg. The time when he was dropped at his place of residence, it was just after 1800 hours on the 26th of October 2014. He instructs me that on the 26th of October 2014, he did not meet you and accused number 2. He further instructs me that he did not act in concert and in the furtherance of the common purpose to kill the deceased in count number 1 of the indictment. He further instructs me that he did not share in the spoils of the murder or the robbery in any way, as he was not at or near the scene on the 26th of October 2014. He further instructs me that he does not know who is the mastermind. He was told or heard before this court that Ms. Kelly Nxumalo is the mastermind. He did not in any way had any contacts with the mastermind, Ms. Kelly Nxumalo. He further instructs me that even though he knew accused number 5, accused number 5 had never approached him with a plan that he had received from a mastermind for the deceased in this matter to be killed. He further instructs me that, and I must place it on record, that the Section 205 records, which are the Section 205 records of the cell phone number 277276681169, that is the number of accused number 3. We did peruse such records. With regards to photo 47 of Exhibit S, which is the photo which was taken on the 26th of October 2014, at 1500 hours 30 minutes 31 seconds. Service the Section 205 records of accused number 3 on the 26th of October 2014 at 1500 hours 19 minutes 32 seconds. Accused number 3, he receives a call from the number 2772 3995787, and that call lasted about 65 seconds. And the tower there is 2G phosphorus SGS3. The number that I've referred to, ending 787, is a number of a person who is on the contact list of the contact list of accused number 3, Mfoga Kumar. On the 26th of October 2014, at 20, which lasted for about 165 minutes, to the number 27711175387, and the tower there is 2G Holt Street SGS. And this Msindo Zulu is in the contact list of the phone, the handset which belonged to accused number 3 before court. He then instructs me that he could not have been in Phosphorus, at or near the scene in Phosphorus, on the 26th of October 2014, because at this relevant time, that is on the 26th of October 2014, at 2000 hours 16 minutes 19 seconds, accused number 3 makes a call which lasted for about 165 minutes to the number 27711175387, and the tower is 2G Holt Street SGS, which is in Johannesburg, not Phosphorus. He says he could not have, for that reason, he could not have been with accused number 3 at that time. May I approach? Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Thank you, my lord. I have no further questions. Thank you.
If Nxumalo's evidence stands uncontested, then the common purpose theory might be nothing more than smoke and mirrors. Do you think the court will still buy the prosecution's story after this? Let's talk in the comments, because this could be the biggest turning point yet in the Senzo Meyiwa case. I'm Skybridge. Thanks for watching. If this video was interesting, kindly subscribe to my channel and help me grow. Remember to like, comment, and share the video. Until next time, bye.